Hey guys, Dylan here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to install backuppc on a Debian container. It can also be on a virtual machine or a physical server. I usually recommend doing it on a virtual machine or a container. Generally having your infrastructure virtualized is for the best. All you got to do is apt update -y. We're going to update our lists. All right, so what we're going to do now is we're going to do apt install backuppc. So now the installation is going to prompt us. Now backuppc supports Apache 2, so we're going to do OK. Then you're going to want to save this password. So you're going to, let's go ahead and copy it into a notepad because this is just for a tutorial, so I'm not going to save this. And we are going to want to have this URL right here. So write it down. If you have a URL or an IP address, any of those will work. So we're going to go ahead and hit OK. And if you want to change the password, you can just do ht-password and the user, as it said right up here. You go ahead and do ht-password, etc backuppc ht-password. backuppc, and that should allow you to reset the password to a different one. So we're going to open this link, and at first, if you have a on your setup, if you have a URL setup because of the hostname or whatever, what you can go ahead and do is you can go to your nano var lib backuppc, and you can go ahead and go to your I think it was in the Apache 2 sites enabled. So you can go here to your, was it conf-enabled? Yeah, here we go. Okay, so you have to go to your conf-enabled backuppc, and here you're gonna check that there's a line called require local. So it says comment out this line once you have set up HTTPS and uncommented SSL require SSL. But in this case, for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to do it with HTTP on plain text. Now, if you have to access this from an external IP or source, then don't use it without any encryption at all. But if you have it on your LAN, then in some cases you can go ahead and not use it. So what we're going to do once we've changed that is systemctl restart Apache 2, and we're going to hit F5 here, and it's going to ask us for the username, which is the default backuppc, and we're going to go here and do copy paste of our password, and that is going to get us into the backuppc interface. Now the backuppc interface is super straightforward. You got your status, your host summary, your host list. Here you can change your config, etc. Now, the first thing you're going to want to do is you're probably going to want to add a host. So to do that, you go to edit hosts, and then you could just do add, and for example, put a host and any IP address that you would like to add. But after doing that, you're going to have to, if it's a Ubuntu or generally any Linux machine, you're going to have to create a SSH key, and you're going to have to copy that SSH key to that client so that you can copy with rsync. You're also going to have to add the rsync command to your etc sudoers and do a couple of different things, which I will be covering in a separate video, as this is just an installation video. So yeah, it's a relatively short video. Have a nice day.